Good morning there, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Coach Hodges once again, and we are here to talk today about some introduction to digital technology. I have my first block class in here today. Everybody say hello. Hey, hopefully you can hear these other cool cats and kittens that we have here in class. And so we're going to talk a little bit today about 3D printing. Okay. In Introduction to Digital Technology in the classroom, we have what is called the Makerbot Replicator. Okay. These are not the newest versions of the 3D printers that are on the market made by Makerbot. They actually have these here. They're called the Sketch and the Method. They have some that are now capable of scanning and replicating an image that was scanned. These Makerbot replicators that we have are only capable of printing from a file that has been created or uploaded. We can find files on this website. Here's one. It's called Thingscom, and it has tons of figures, action figures. Well, this doesn't look good. Looks like it's a switchblade knife. Logos, figurines. You can even print you a grill if you would like a grill. Little baby Yoda here. How cute. But there's tons of things that we can print. Okay, we can use these 3D printers also to replicate and print items that we may need. There may be something, for instance, like this item right here. This is a little a part off of a machine that maybe broke, and you need it, and you could go in and print it. Here's a little sprocket right here that you could print. But there are many, many, many functions we saw during the early stages of the what do you call this thing that the corona stuff, where they were 3D printing parts for ventilators, and using these 3D printed parts to help with ventilators, and that people had access to all of these things, these files, and they were printing them and getting them to doctors and hospitals, things like that, and really helping out. So anyway, today I want you to do some research on the Makerbot Replicator. You're going to research that. I'll post an assignment for you to do in Google Classroom, and I want you to find out all that you can about the Replicator 3D printer. Amen. 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 All right, guys. Y'all take care, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.